Come test drive the 2018 QX30. The Infiniti Qx30 is a premium crossover with plenty of style and performance. The QX30 offers ultimate maneuverability and is loaded with a high-quality interior space. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, fog lights, rear fog light, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.